Welcome to e-learning class. Today we are going to study 7th maths topic algebraic expression and operations on them. Look at the arrangements of sticks given below and observe the pattern. Now in this, number of square in this arrangement is 1. Number of sticks are 1, 2, 3, 4. Look at this second arrangement of sticks. How many squares are there? This is 1 and 2. So the number of squares are 2. Number of sticks are, count the number of sticks are 7. On observing the pattern above, we notice now in this pattern, number of sticks are, now see, 3 multiplied by number of squares plus 1. Here the number of square changes. It could be any 1 or 2, 3, 4 and so on. If we do not know the number of squares, we write a letter in its place. Here the number of square is known by the letter n. So here number of square, this is denoted by letter n. Then 3 multiplied by number of square, that is n plus 1. That is 3n plus 1. Is an algebraic expression in the variable n. How many balls are there in the given figure? Yes, correct. 3 balls. How many triangles are there? 3 triangles. How many T's are there? 3 T's. How many balls are there and how many bats are there? 3 balls plus 3 bats. How many x are there in this? 1, 2. So 2x and 3y. Now we will find the perimeter of the given rectangular box. How many L's are there? 1, 2. 2 lines are there. How many breadths are there? 2 breadths are there. So 2L plus 2B. In this we will take out 2 and 2 is there. So 2 is common. Remaining is L plus B. If you open the bracket and solve, you will get the same thing. So perimeter of a rectangle is 2 multiplied by L plus B. Now we know that 3n plus 1, 3t, 2x plus 3y, 2 multiplied by L plus B are algebraic expression. Here n, t, y, L, b, x are the variables in these expressions. Let's learn. An expression in which multiplication is the only operation is called a term. For example, 11mn minus 9x square y cube. So these all are the examples of terms. An algebraic expression may have one term or may be the sum of several terms. Now, in the first expression 11mn, in this 11 is the coefficient and m and n are variables of this expression. Now in minus 9x square y cube, here the coefficient is, yes, minus 9. यहाँ पे सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंट चीज़ एक है कि अलॉन्ग विथ साइन हमें लिखना है. यहाँ पे नेगेटिव नंबर है तो हम माइनस 9 वैसे ही लिखेंगे. यहाँ पे 11 लिखा है. 11 की यहाँ पे एज्यूम होता है, इट एज्यूम दैट दिस नंबर इज़ पॉजिटिव. अगर यहाँ पे पॉजिटिव साइन नहीं है तो भी एक एज्यूम किया जाता है. इस एक्सप्रेशन में माइनस 9 आएगा और इसके वेरिएबल्स आएंगे x एंड y. इसके वेरिएबल्स आएंगे x और y. इनकी पावर्स हम नहीं लिखेंगे, सिर्फ वेरिएबल्स लिखने हैं कौन से हैं. यहाँ पे क्या आएगा? कोएफिशिएंट इन दिस एक्सप्रेशन 5/6 p, और वी कैन से दैट हियर नथिंग इज देयर, तो यहाँ पे मल्टीप्लाई होता है. ओके यहाँ पे देखो 9x² y³ मतलब यहाँ पे 9 मल्टीप्लाई बाई x² मल्टीप्लाई बाई y³. सिमिलरली 11mn 11 मल्टीप्लाई बाई m मल्टीप्लाई बाई n. 5/6p coefficient is 5/6 and variable is p. Now last in this expression here a is there, नंबर नहीं है. ओके तो हमने टर्म को अभी तक देखा है मल्टीप्लिकेशन के फॉर्म में होता है. ओके सो यहाँ पे देखेंगे हम an expression in which the multiplication is only the operation that is called as a term. ओके अब यहाँ पे देखो a है सिर्फ, लेकिन हम ये भी बोल सकते हैं 1 मल्टीप्लाई बाई a दैट इज a. तो यहाँ पे कोएफिशिएंट नहीं लिखा है कुछ भी, लेकिन हम यहाँ पे 1 लिखेंगे. ओके सो 1 मल्टीप्लाई बाई a दैट इज 1 और इसका वेरिएबल आएगा a. An algebraic expression may have one term or may be the sum of several terms. For example, 4x² minus 2y plus 5/6 xz. Now here in this 4 is the coefficient in it. Then so 4x² is the first term. In this the 4 is the coefficient in it. X is the variable, and in second 2y minus 2y is the second term in which 2 is the coefficient, and 5/6 xz in this is the third term, and in this 5/6 is the coefficient. So the given expression is the sum of several terms. इसमें 1 2 3 टर्म्स आ रही है. सो इट इज़ अ सम ऑफ. ओके यहाँ पे हमने सब्सट्रैक्शन भी किया है, यहाँ पे एडिशन भी है. इन सेकेंड एग्जाम्पल 15 माइनस एक्स, दिस इज algebraic expression. It has a 2 terms. The first term is 15 and the second term is minus x. Now here the coefficient of the variable x is -1. Why -1? Here we can say that 1 multiplied by x, but here the sign of x is minus, so this is -1. यहाँ पे x की साइन नेगेटिव है इसलिए इसका कोएफिशिएंट -1 होगा. यहाँ पे कुछ भी नहीं लिखा है, लेकिन हम ऐसे बोल सकते हैं -1 multiplied by x, so the coefficient is -1. Look at the terms given below. Now in this we can see in the first example 2x 5x minus 2/3x. Now in this case, in these expressions, these terms have the same variable with the same power. That is, here the variables are x, 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 and they are having the same power. That is x raised to 1, or we can say simply the x. So 2x, 5x and minus 2/3x. So these are called as a like terms. Similarly, -5x² y and 6/7 yx². Now in this just check out the terms. Here x² y is there, here yx² is there, here x² is there, here x² is there, here y is there whose power is 1, y is there whose power is 1. यहाँ पे डिफरेंस क्या है, सिर्फ यहाँ की ऑर्डर चेंज की है. मल्टीप्लिकेशन में अगर इसका मतलब क्या हुआ, दिस टर्म इज इन द फॉर्म ऑफ ए मल्टीप्लिकेशन फॉर्म. 5 मल्टीप्लाई बाई x² इंटू वाई है, यहाँ पे 6/7 मल्टीप्लाई बाई वाई इंटू x² है. इन दोनों केसेस में, इन दोनों टर्म्स में जो हमारे वेरिएबल्स है, वेरिएबल्स सेम है, सिर्फ इसकी ऑर्डर चेंज की है, लेकिन इसका मीनिंग एक ही होता है. आप ऐसे x² y लिखो या y(x²) लिखो, मतलब एक ही होता है. So these are also called as a like terms. So these are called as a like terms. While 7xy, in this example, this is one term 7xy and 9y². Now in this check out the terms. Here xy is there, here y² is there, here x is there, यहाँ पे x नहीं है, यहाँ पे y है लेकिन यहाँ की y है लेकिन y की पावर 2 है. तो these are not like terms. So these are called as a unlike terms. Similarly, 8mn, 8m square n square and 8m cube n. mn are there, but check out the power. Here the m raised to 1, n raised to 1 is there. Here m raised to 2, n raised to 2 is there. Power is here, m3 is there and n1 is there. So these are also unlike terms. Types of algebraic expressions. Expression with one term is called as monomial. Expression with two terms are called as binomial. Expression with three terms are called as trinomials. If an expression have more than three terms are called as polynomials. In monomial, one term is there. In binomial, 1 and 2. Two terms are there. In trinomial, from the name it indicates 1, 2, 3. Three terms are there. And in polynomials, 1, 2, 3, 4. It have a more than three terms. So they are called as a polynomials. Practice set 32. Classify the following algebraic expressions as monomial, binomial, trinomial or polynomial. Now here, first expression is 7x. Yes, it has a one term, so this is monomial. Second, 5y minus 7z. It has a two terms, so binomial. Third, 3x cube minus 5x square minus 11. 1, 2, 3. Three terms are there, so trinomial. Fourth, it has a 1, 2, 3, 4. Four terms. More than 3. So it is polynomial. Then fifth, 1 and 2. Two terms are there. Binomial. Sixth, only one term is there. 4. It has only one term. So 8. It has 1, 2, 3. Three terms are there. So trinomial.